to the Off Grid family. Today I'm just doing a very quick video on what's inside a Dyson Animal Vacuum Cleaner. All I've got is the sort of the motor housing with the switches and so on. A friend of mine, her one broke and they accidentally sent her two, and I'd said to her, we'll keep the other one in case that one breaks, but in her exact words, I don't want it cluttering up my house. So she sent it on to me. I've got no use for it. So let's have a look inside. Now I've already popped off the top purely because I couldn't find any screws and I didn't want to start a video and find out I couldn't open it without smashing it to pieces with a hammer like you have to with some things. But this is as far as I've got. Inside there's a lot of tech. Obviously this is like the guts of the device. There should be a motor in there, but that's about all I know. So let's see. Yeah, okay, that's that one off. Where's that one going? Down to there. Oh, well. It's all like pressure fit together. Okay, in there is some sort of circuitry and an LED, and it's connected to this nice little switch. If I can salvage that, I'll have it. They really do like to pressure their stuff in here. You can tell I'm serious, I pulled my stool in. Nice coils of copper there. I'm hoping for a nice powerful motor out of this. This one was actually brand new. It wasn't broken or anything, so it should be all within working order. The thing is pressed in there so tight. Trying not to break it all. I'd like to see it all working, you know. Right, I'm going to saw it. There we go. That magnet is so strong. Right. Take off the circuit a minute. Right, I'm just going to clear up a little bit and then we'll test that motor out. Now this was originally 22 volts, I've only got a 12 volt power source, but it's worth giving it a go, isn't it? No, it keeps tripping my battery pack. Right, well, inside there is a motor, obviously, and there are big magnets and some copper wire and some nice big capacitors there as well. So there is salvage in that. Whether I'll leave it as just the motor or not, I'm not sure. So we've got a motor or the bits I just mentioned. We have a limiter switch, and that's about all I can salvage off that. Then we got a lovely little switch. I quite like my switches, as I'm sure you know by now, and an LED. So there's really not much going on in there. You know, there are the circuitry for it and so on, but you know, like you'd expect, the main components are switches and motors. So these will go in my salvage pot, and they will come out in another project, I'm sure. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.